With winter approaching and experts predicting a surge in COVID-19 cases, small business owners are facing a looming uncertainty.
My concerns are, will I still be here? I don't know. I don't know.
Lisa Collins, owner of Lauren Ray Jewelry Boutique in downtown Naperville, has worked hard to keep her business afloat. Between COVID-19 restrictions in March and looting in May, the past few months have not been easy. A report released by Yelp this month shows 60% of businesses that shut down in March are now permanently closed. Business owners worry that if COVID-19 cases and restrictions continue to rise in the winter, that number could increase. Sean LaFortune, a board member on the Naperville Area Chamber of Commerce, says without small business, the economy and many communities will suffer.
Any collapse in small business obviously is going to not only have a detrimental effect to the surrounding community, but it's also going to have a detrimental effect for the long-term survivability in some of these communities.
Many businesses were able to survive due to the Paycheck Protection Program, which helped them pay employees, rent, and utilities during shutdown. But with aid running out and Congress failing to reach an agreement on a second stimulus bill, the future of many businesses is unclear. Last week, the Small Business Roundtable wrote a letter to Congress saying, quote, "While we acknowledge the unprecedented support and resources that were directed to small businesses earlier this spring, more must be done." They're asking Congress for a second round of the Paycheck Protection Program, reimbursement for personal protective equipment, and Paycheck Protection Program loan forgiveness. But with President Trump delaying a stimulus bill until after the election, it's unclear if those requests will come true. Lisa says what would really help small businesses right now doesn't cost anything, and that's leadership.
People in these times do not need arguments and fighting. We don't need that. What we need is somebody to step up and say, we're going to get through this.
And while President Trump has halted conversations of a second stimulus package, he did tweet saying he would support funding for specific industries such as the airlines and small business. But it's unclear when that funding would pass. For Good Day to Paul, I'm Becky Budds.